are looking for a delicious, satisfying salad, try this cauliflower salad. A low-carb dish that's packed full of fresh flavors. And even healthier with ginseng tea. This recipe is easy, quick, and vegan-friendly, so it's really good for weight loss and being healthy. Prepare half a sliced cauliflower, and we're going to make it a gravel-like consistency. Chop chop. Transfer the cauliflower to a bigger bowl and prepare half a cup of diced tomatoes, 1 cup of chopped cucumbers, 1 cup of chickpeas, half a cup of sliced scallions, half a cup of chopped green olives, 1/3 of a cup of chopped mint. For the last ingredients, half a cup of chopped parsley. Ta-da! It looks fresh and good to eat already, but we're going to add a bit of dressing on the top. Prepare a medium-sized bowl. 2 chopped garlics, 1/4 cup of lemon juice, 2 tablespoons of extra virgin olive oil, half a teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Mix it all together. Pour dressing over the salad evenly. Mix it up till the mixture is all together. And toss together gently. It's a vegan-friendly salad. Vegan foods are rich in nutrients your body needs and helps you achieve a healthy body weight. When the salad is ready, prepare Korean red ginseng extract powder tea. The ginseng tea makes a perfect combination. Try this at home and let us know. Take care. Bye!